is Laiba Mukhtar. My ARID number is 18 ARID 2001. I am from section D and I am the student of BSc Honours Agriculture. I am here to represent about the entomology, about the class Insecta. So as you can see, there's all of these are of class Insecta. All these are included in class Insecta. And I am here to basically represent mainly about the housefly. As you can see that this is a housefly. As the housefly's botanical name or scientific name is Musca domestica, and it is the fly of the uh, order fly and the suborder Cyclorpha. So as it has spread all over the world as a commensal of humans, it is the most common fly species found in houses. Its lifespan is 28 days in high temperature or low activity as an adult housefly, male. So scientific name is as I told earlier that Musca domestica. It is of class. It belongs to class Insecta. It belongs to family Muscidae and the kingdom Animalia. So if we talk about the general characteristics of housefly, so the housefly, as you can see in these pictures, that the housefly is a medium size common insect from light to dark gray in color. The body is divided into three parts. As we can see that it is divided into three parts: head, then thorax, and then abdomen. The head bears a pair of compound eyes, a pair of antennae, and a retractile proboscis which is adapted for sucking liquid food. Male eyes are closer together while female eyes are set apart widely. So as we can see that male eyes are closer and the female eyes, as it is shown that female eyes are set apart widely. मतलब कि जो मेल होता है उसकी आइज़ जो होती हैं वो क्लोज़र होती हैं, बट जो फीमेल की जो होती हैं वो आइज़ थोड़ी दूर दूर होती हैं. थॉरक्स की अगर हम बात करें तो थॉरक्स हैज़ टू वेल डेवलप्ड डार्क लॉन्गिट्यूडिनल स्ट्रिप्स. Thorax bears a pair of wings and three pairs of legs. The legs and the body are covered with short and stiff hairs called tendons hairs which secretes a sticky substance. Abdomen की अगर हम बात करें तो the abdomen is segmented and shows light and dark markings. In female, a tube-like structure is extended from abdomen when the fly lays her eggs. इसी तरह अगर हम इनकी लाइफ साइकिल की बात करें तो जो हाउस फ्लाई होती है उसकी अगर हम लाइफ साइकिल की बात करेंगे देन वी विल डिस्कस दैट the housefly undergo a complete metamorphosis. The female lays egg about 120 to 150 eggs in one sitting. Eggs are laid in horse manure and other decaying materials. मतलब कि जो horse का manure होता है हमारे पास, ये वहाँ पर mostly egg decay करती हैं या फिर other decaying materials. ठीक है, इनके eggs अगर हम देख भी सकते हैं, they are creamy white in color and are about 1 to 2 mm in length. The fly lays from 600 to 900 eggs during her lifetime. The eggs hatch in 8 to 24 hours. Eggs जो होते हैं वो हमारे पास हैच हो जाती हैं 8 से 24 आवर्स में, और उसके बाद जो है वो नेक्स्ट स्टेजेस आ जाती हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट स्टेज इज़ लाइक लार्वा, प्यूपा एंड एडल्ट. लार्वा की अगर हम बात करें तो लार्वा इज़ 12 segmented white in color and about 1 to 2 mm in length at birth. At the anterior and posterior end of body, a pair of spiracles are present, as we can see here. The larva feed on decaying organic matters. The larval period lasts from 2 to 7 days. If we talk about the pupa, the next stage is second larval stage, which is if we talk about the larval stage, then it is at three bases: first larval stage, second larval stage, and third larval stage. Then we come toward the pupa. Pupa is dark brown in color, as we can see in the picture. The pupa stages last from 3 to 6 days, but in winter it may be prolonged. And then coming toward the adult, then adult, the complete life cycle from egg to adult may take 5 to 6 days during summer. Flies do not live longer than 15 days in summer and 25 days in winter. So as I tried my best to represent about the housefly, so here is a little brief description about the housefly. Thank you.